I like to have fun when I cook. No recipes, pure creativity. Let me take you on a journey. Starting off with a tomato basil sauce, the recipe for which I learned from a dear friend and talented sous chef I used to work with in the industry. To this day, my mom can't stand that I make a better tomato sauce than she does. Next, let's prep the pureed parsnips, cooked down in oat milk and butter. I'd use heavy cream, but lactose intolerance and all that. Mandolin makes the zucchini and squash strips that I'll need to wrap the cod in, which, speaking of cod, I'll need to cut those down into wrappable blocks. Plastic wrap and squash strips laid out and seasoned. Let me cod block my situation and roll these guys up like a cigar, like a hand-rolled cigar. Butcher's twine for added security and into the steamer. Stick blender and Ninja takes care of smoothing everyone out. Now let's sear the cod wraps off and douse these guys in garlic thyme butter. Delectable. Plate up. Parsnip puree goes down in the center, followed by a ring of that tomato basil. Wipe the sides of your plate down before service, unless you just don't care, which is valid. Cod wraps go down on top of everything, and let's finish off with a basil chiffonade garnish for added height and aromatics.